How fast can I find a profitable online arbitrage lead starting from zero, starting from scratch? This is what we are going to see in today's video. But the truth is that I have a little advantage that you can get as well for less than $1 a day. And I'm going to show you what it is in a few. And if you've been following the channel for a little while, you know what I'm going to talk about. But if you do not know me, by the way, my name is Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon. And if you want to learn how to actually become a profitable six-figure and beyond, because on this channel you have everything that you need to become a seven-figure seller, subscribe and like this video so you get recommended more videos. But yeah, so what we are going to do is we are going to try to find an arbitrage lead as fast as possible. And as I said, you know, we are not really going to start from scratch because my VAs work for me and they can work for you for a little bit over $1 a day. They can build you this, which is what I call a target list, which is a list of all the deals that are currently online right now where I can actually find profitable online arbitrage products. Okay, so I know that right now I have 740 deals that I can source at. There's 740 promotions that I can actually look at. And once again, if you want to get the same thing, there's a link in the description. I'm going to leave a link in the pinned comment as well if you want to get this target list. Okay, it's $34.99 a month, which is a little bit over $1 a day to get my full team of VAs actually working for you full time, okay, and building this full time and removing deals that are expired all the time, every single time. So yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, you want to get it, link in the description, and let's start sourcing. So we are going to put a timer. Okay, let me put a timer and a stopwatch so we can actually, when we start sourcing, I can actually activate it. And let me just make sure that my Amazon thing is set up. It looks like it is set up, and so we are ready to start. And actually started. No, I haven't. Let me just reset this. We do not need this. All we need is this, and let's go. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you guys in the meantime, so I may be a little bit slower, but yeah, we are going to try to find a promotion that actually looks like it's interesting to source, right? A big promotion, hopefully something like 50% off. Essential style at DSW could actually make sense. Well, let's see what else we got going on. And of course, I'm not going to use tactical arbitrage, tactical expander. I'm just going to do it manually, and I'm going to try to find a lead profitably manually. Okay, so yeah. Oh, there's a new sale on Nike.com, 50% off. I didn't even know. It used to be 40%. Okay, if you got the target list, you pretty much know this. So we got 50. Oh, it's okay. It's up to 50%. We got an extra 20% with a coupon, and we got 10% cash back. Okay, so it's going to be pretty easy to make it profitable. So here's another thing that I'm going to do. I'm going to open my product calculation spreadsheet. Let me just delete this. Let me delete this because this has nothing to do with our video. It's just some extra stuff. Here we go. And so I'm going to add this here. Okay, so I have an extra, was it 20% with a coupon? I have, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger for you guys so you can actually see it. I have an extra 20% with the coupon. I can get some gift card. We are going to look at how much gift card we can get on Nike.com. We can get, and by the way, you should do this work all the time before you actually start sourcing, okay? Because this is how manufacturing your margin is what is going to make you profitable, okay? So you can source all you want. If you do not know to manufacture your margins, the best way, like the more you can, it is going to be hard to be profitable. All right, so credit card cash back, we have 2% credit card cash back, we have a 20% coupon, and we're going to see what kind of gift card we can get. So we are going to look on arbitrage cards, not this website, arbitrage card. And you'll notice that we've spent already 2 minutes and I haven't actually started looking at products, okay? Which is the way you should do if you want to look at Nike.com, because there's a promotion. You should know how much you can manufacture your margins, and so it is really the first step. By the way, follow me on socials if you are new here to see some update about my life, if you are interested in this, and about other stuff as well that has to do with Amazon. We are going to try to find a Nike gift card, and for whatever reason it is loading super slowly, and we are already 2 minutes and 30 seconds deep and we haven't looked at any product yet. So we can get up to 5% apparently. Let's see, the website is kind of slow right now. And okay, so we can actually get 8% if you buy via ACH. with this one. So we have 12 gift cards available of 250. So let's see if I can find anything. Let me go back here, and let me add 8% gift cards. So 20%, 8%, 2.0, and actually 125 of prep cost, except if it's a shoe. It's going to cost a little bit more money. Okay, so right now we are finally done actually manufacturing our margins, and so we are going to start looking at Nike.com. Now, you will notice that if you are new here, I have the total cost if I ship to my house right there with the 7% sales tax, and the cost at my prep center. Okay, if you do not know what a prep center is, it is a company that you outsource your prepping at, okay? Because when you sell on Amazon, you need to have your product prepped in a certain way. And I'm trying to because I've seen that a lot more beginners are actually watching the videos right now, even the videos that are a little bit more advanced. And so I'm going to go over those terms and over all this lingo a little bit more. So you if you're a beginner, it will be easier for you to follow. If you're a little bit more advanced, I'm sorry about that. But you will have to do with this because we want the beginners to feel welcomed here. Okay, so what we're going to do, so should we do it by price, or should we just let it like this? Maybe we can just let it like this, okay? And all right, so I'm going to start looking. Okay, so right away, maybe I can make this profitable. Oh, and I forgot. Actually, we have 10% cash back. I forgot to enter it here. Okay, so we can probably make this profitable. Okay, we get them for 70 with all the profit margins that we have. Okay, 46, 14. And I know this because this is a product that I've seen over and over again at seller storefront. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for Nike Court Vision, Next Nature, and it's these, I believe. It's these. Here we go. And I'm pretty sure that we are going to be able to make them profitable. Yes, I know my prime benefits. I know. Yes, I know. No need to. And actually, it's going to be profitable. Okay, so the first lead that we actually looked at is going to be profitable. I need a shoe, so I'm going to pay 175 to prep it. It's 46.64. And let me see, it is actually available in all those sizes. So how much do I get it for? 46.64 at my prep. Okay, so let me look if the price is sustainable. Maybe the price is not sustainable at $96, but it is def sustainable at $77.80. I can maybe I can sell it a little bit at around $80, okay, if I'm fast enough. So 46.40 was it, which is 60%. Let's see at $80. Okay, at $80 it is 28% return on investment. Was it 46.64? 46.64, 27% return on investment at 80. So right now the price looks decent, but we are probably going to be able to sell it at 86 maybe. Yeah, so 86 would be $38 return on investment, because I do not think that the price will. Yes, the price right now is overinflated, but there's no reason for the price to go down to 75. Right now, I'm pretty sure that you can sell it at around 85. Let's call it 84, even 84. So to be honest, you need to be above 81.50, I believe, for it to make sense, for it to be more than 30% return on investment. So it is a lead that is profitable. You may want to look at other, and let me just move this here. You may want to look at other sizes as well. You could make it profitable. Maybe other size do not tank as much. Maybe this size, which is the size that sells the fastest, is actually better. Let's look at it quickly. And it looks like it actually is. Okay, the lowest it really goes to is 80. Okay, 46.64, I believe. 27% return on investment, which is okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. And it's really when it goes to the bottom, okay? You can probably sell it over that, except if it tanks. It could tank for, let's say, from December 22nd to January. So for 1 month, it could tank a little bit for 1 month, but the price should bounce back up quite fast. So 85, if you are able to sell it at $85, you make 37% return on investment. So as you guys saw, we were able to find a profitable lead super fast. Okay, just by, once again, just by what? Just by using the target list, because we had a head start and we have all the deals that are currently going on right there on this spreadsheet. Okay, this is what actually helps me source super fast, and this is what you can actually get the exact same thing. By the way, the one that you will get is not formatted the same way, because for me, I have all the deals on the same spreadsheet, but yours, the one that you are going to use, is a little bit more organized. Okay, the one that were just found are going to be on one sheet of the spreadsheet, and then on the next sheet is going to be all the deals that were found in the previous days. So yeah. So if you want to get the target list, you see how fast it can actually help you source. You know, like the reason why I do it is because that way I can share it with the guys that are actually interested in, and we sort of split the cost, so of the VAs. So yeah, if you want to get your VAs to build this for you every single day, full time, it is going to cost you a lot of money. Okay, you can get this for $1 a day. If you want to get one VA, and I have 4 VAs working on this, but if you want to get one VA, it is going to cost you at least $100 a month, $100 a week, so $400 a month to actually build this. Okay, you can get this for $34.99, which is actually a big time saver. Okay, so you are able to see how fast you can find products using this. Hopefully, once again, this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff. I want to see you do all that YouTube stuff. Definitely get a target list. You saw how fast it can help you source, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.